Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone and in this video you will learn how you can add slider for your site in Weebly. So let's start. First just click here on build and you'll find here slideshow. Now just paste it and now you have options which one you want to choose. You can go with a simple slideshow of thumbnails. I would recommend going with the simple slideshow. Let's start. Now you can just upload photos. So I don't know, I will add myself here around the tree. Then I have Yoda. So also I recommend going with the really similar resolutions. Right now those mine's not going to be, but this is just an idea how to do it. So then you can link it. If someone's going to click on it to URL or something, click save now. And here you got it. And now, okay, so we got speed. Let's go with the 9 seconds. Transition style. You can choose which one you like. Navigation, none. Or you can go with the double thumbnails. Really up to you. And you got also those aspect ratio if you would like to change it. But this is how you can make simple slideshow for your site in Weebly. So also in the comments you will have, let me show you something. In else site, you can make, down below in the description, you will find a link for better slider and it's called else site. And when I will just register here, it's free and you can create much more better widget. Much better slider for your site in Weebly, I think. So that's what I would recommend. Go here and to the description, click on the link, register here and then find a slider here and choose it. And that's what I recommend. And how you implement it on site, really simple. You just add code like here and you just paste the code. Really simple. So thank you, have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.